Alright, let's keep this nice and simple. How to animate the hands of a Source Filmmaker model. Well, step 1, you're going to want to be in the graph editor. Button number 3 down here in the timeline on the far left. And now whether you have a model with a rig or without a rig doesn't matter, it's the same thing. Finger bones don't get rigged. So, we're going to turn the right hand here into a simple fist, and then have him count up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So for that, we're going to go to Fingers under the model. Now sometimes you'll have to go into the Arms folder. Regardless, wherever the finger bones are located in the drop-down menu, go there. Now we're just going to put a starting keyframe so far in. The M button on the keyboard works wonders. So now we want this to be a decent speed. It doesn't need to be super quick or slow, so there. Spacebar for that. Now what we're going to do for dealing with multiple fingers all at once, if you're doing the same thing for each of them, like making a fist, select the first bone of the fingers. You want whichever one's closest to the knuckle, the closest to the hand. It's usually labeled finger 1. Press and hold the shift button, select the last one, and it should select all of them like that. Rotation tool. And now one thing to be sure of is to right click on the little ball in the viewport, go to rotation mode, select local. Otherwise you can run the risk of it pulling things funny and it just won't look right. Now with that being done, we just rotate them and the hand grips. You may need to go in and make some fine adjustments to get it to look right, in which case this is all you do. Working the fingers is always going to be the rotation tool, unless you want to do funky finger deformation, pulling it around and stuff. So with that, let's make it even. There. Now to get the thumb taken care of, we basically do the same thing, but we only select the top 2 bones. We don't want to worry about this one in here because it's oriented a little differently. We do that. Select that one and put it in position. Just like that. And he grips. So now he's going to count up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this will be 1. Just select the finger, move it out. Gonna want the other fingers to do something as well while you're doing this, just for added authenticity. That's fine tuning you can do later on. So with that, 2, and as always, whatever you're doing, try moving in the same way you want the model to move, just to help add that extra level of authenticity to it. Now I'm going to go 3. Let's see here. Oops. Alright. So what we want to do here is we want to put a different keyframe out here. Click that. Click that. That way he counts up. just getting the fingers positioned correctly. And to move back and forth between the keyframes, I'm hitting the bracket keys on the keyboard. And now that's going to come out a bit like this. Select that. Voila. So it should grip 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's how you animate a hand. Short, simple, to the point, hopefully clear enough. This has been Source Filmmaker Basics, or whatever I end up calling this. Have a great day.